Hello everyone. Yes, this video is going to be a 50 sums video as shown in thumbnail. Many of our family requested to make a 50 sums video on two-dimensional mensuration. This video covers each and every trick and concept of solving problems related to perimeter and area of two-dimensional figures. It helps you to revise whole two-dimensional mensuration in very short period. And as you know, we have spent too much time to make a quality video for you. So if you want to appreciate our work, then please like the video and share the video with your friends as much as possible. So welcome to your own channel, Being Mathematician, and without wasting a second, let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. The sides of the triangles are 17 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 21 centimeter. So the semi-perimeter is equal to 17 plus 10 plus 21 divided by 2, and it will be 24 centimeter. So clearly we have to apply the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangles is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle. Now putting the given data in this formula, we get 24 into 24 minus, let us assume that 17 is A, 10 is B, and 21 is C. So 24 minus 17 into 24 minus 10 into 24 minus 21. So root over 24 into 7 into 14 into 3. Now 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 14 can be written as 2 into 7, so into 7 into 3. Now clearly it is 4, 2, so we get 2 into 2, and 1 pair of 3, and we get 1 3, and 1 pair of 7, we get 1 7. So it will be 84 centimeter square. Now we can write that 1 by 2 into h1 into a equal to 84, where h1 is the altitude to a. Now we assuming that a is 17, so we can write 17 in the place of a, and now h1 is 168 by 17, which is approximately 9.88 centimeter. Now in the similar way, we can write half into h2 into b. It is equal to the area of the triangle, and it is 84, and we assumed that b is 10, so we can write 10 equal to 84. So h2, which is altitude to b, is equal to 84 into 2 by 10. So now it is must be 16.8 centimeter. Now in the same way, 1 by 2 into h3, which is altitude to c, equal to 84. Now half into h3 into c, we assume that c is 21, so it is equal to 84. Now 21 4s are 84, and h3 must be 4 into 2 equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the sum of the altitudes equal to 9.88 plus 16.8 plus 8 centimeter, and it must be 34.68 centimeter. So it is our answer. Question number 2. Let the sides of the triangle be 3x, 5x and 6x. So semi-perimeter must be 3x plus 5x plus 6x divided by 2, and it must be 7x. Now applying the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle, and it is root over 7x into 7x minus 3x into 7x minus 5x into 7x minus 6x. Now let's calculate the area, and it will be 7x into 4x into 2x into x. So let's calculate this area. So here 2 pairs of x, so that means x square, and square root of 4 is 2, so 2x square root 14 centimeter square. Now given that the area of the triangle is 8 root 14 centimeter square, so let's equate this area with the given area. We get 2x square root 14 is equal to 8 root 14. So root 14 and root 14 cancel out, and we get x square is equal to 8 by 2, and it is 4. So x equal to plus minus 2. Now here we calculate the sides of the triangle, so we take only x equal to 2. We have to avoid the negative value of the x. So the sides of the triangle must be 3 into 2, 6 centimeter, 5 into 2, 10 centimeter, and 6 into 2, 12 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter is the sum of the sides, and 6 plus 10 plus 12. So clearly it is 16 plus 12, and now it must be 28 centimeter. So it is our answer. Question number 3. To realize the solution of this question, we have to construct a rough diagram of the question. Let us assume that this is our quadrilateral ABCD, and AC is this line, and it is the diagonal of the quadrilateral, and it is given that 12 centimeter. Now the perpendicular from B to AC is BF, and which is 2 root 5 centimeter, and another perpendicular from D to AC is DE, which is the length of 4 root 5 centimeter. Now clearly we can find the area of the triangle ABC, which is the half into base into height. So here we can assume that AC is our base and height is BF. So let's put the data which is given in the question. AC is 12 centimeter and BF is 2 root 5 centimeter. 2 and 2 cancel out, and we get 12 root 5 centimeter square. We can remember this data. Now In the similar way, we can find the area of the triangle ACD, which is the same way is half into base into height. So given that AC is 12 centimeter and DE is 4 root 5 centimeter, 2 to the 4, so it is 24 root 5 centimeter square. Now by the question we can write that triangle ABC plus triangle ACD is a whole quadrilateral ABCD. So the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is the sum of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle ACD, and triangle ABC is of the area 12 root 5 centimeter square and ACD is of area 24 root 5 centimeter square. Now adding these two, we get 36 root 5 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 4. Let the sides of triangle ABC, AB be A centimeter and BC be B centimeter. So by the given condition, we can write half into A into B is the area of the triangle, and which is given as 210 centimeter square. Now from this we get AB equal to 420. We have to remember this result as equation 1. Now by Pythagoras theorem, we can write that A square plus B square equal to 37 square, because 37 is the hypotenuse of the triangle which is given in the question. Now we can write by 1 that A square in the place of A square is 420 by B whole square plus B square equal to 1369, which is the square of 37. Now the square of 420 is 176400 by B square plus B square equal to 1369. Now multiplying by B square on both sides, we get 176400 plus B to the power 4 into 1369 B square. We can write B to the power 4 minus 1369 B square plus 176400 equal to 0. Now B to the power 4 minus B square, 1369 can be written as 1225 plus 144 plus 176400 equal to 0. Now B to the power 4 minus 1225 B square minus 144 B square plus 176400 equal to 0. Now we take B square from this, we get B square minus 1225 minus 144 into B square minus 1225 equal to 0. Now it is B square minus 1225 into B square minus 144 equal to 0. Now either B square minus 1225 is 0, then B is equal to plus minus 35, and since this is the length of a side, so we can take only positive value of B, so it is B equal to 35, and or b square equal to 144, and similar way we get square root of 120 or 144, it is plus minus 12. Now we take only the positive value, that is b equal to 12. So we have the result, that is AB is 420 by 1. So if A is 12 when B is 35, and if A is 35 when B is 12, so we can find the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is 12 plus 35 plus hypotenuse is 37, or 35 plus 12 plus 37. In this both of the cases we get the same result, and the addition of this 12, 35 and 37 is 84. So our answer is 84 centimeter. Question number 5. We know the formula of the height of the equilateral triangle, which is root 3 by 2 into the side, and it is given as 30 root 3. So root 3 cancel out, and we get side is 60 centimeter. So perimeter must be 3 into 60, and it is 180 centimeter. And area, we knew the formula of area, which is root 3 by 4 into side square. So putting the value of side, which is 60 into 60, so it must be this. So clearly it is 900 root 3 centimeter square. So it is our area and it is our perimeter. So it is the answer of this question. Question number 6. In this question, given that ABC is a right-angled triangle and BD is perpendicular to AC, so clearly this indicates that angle ABC is the right angle. So AC must be the hypotenuse and BD is perpendicular to AC. So given that AC is 3x plus 1, BC is 2x plus 1, BD is 2x minus 1, and the area of the triangle ABC is 25 centimeter square. So from the figure we can easily conclude that half into AB into BC is the area. So half into AB into BC is the area of the triangle ABC. In another way, we can say that half into BD into AC is the area. So we can write half into AC into BD is triangle ABC. Now, from this equation, we can find the value of x because AC and BD both are given in the equation. So let's calculate this. AC is 3x plus 1 and BD is given as 2x minus 1 and the area is 25. So from this product we get 6x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 1 is 50. So 6x square minus x minus 51 equal to 0. So 6x square minus x into, we can write 18 minus 17. Since 18 into 17 is 6 into 51, so by this middle term factorization, we can write this. So 6x square minus 18x plus 17x minus 51 equal to 0. Now, from this we take 6x, so x minus 3, and from this we take 17, so x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, x minus 3 into 6x plus 17 equal to 0. So either x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 17 by 6. So if we take this value, then BD will be negative. BD becomes negative. So we avoid this value. We avoid this value from this sum. So we take x equal to 3. So now we can say that our another equation, which is half into AB into BC, is equal to the area, which is 25 in the question. So AB into BC is 50 and BC is given as 2x plus 1 in the question. So putting this in the equation, and we have the value of x, so let's put this x equal to 3. We get 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to 50. So AB must be 50 by 7 centimeter, which is 7 whole 1 by 7 centimeter, and it is our answer. Question number 7. Let's make a rough diagram of the given question. So let us assume that this is our triangle ABC, and given that each equal side is 17 centimeter more than the base. So let base is here BC, be x centimeter. So x centimeter, and clearly AB equal to AC equal to x plus 17 centimeter. So this side and this side equal, and it is x plus 17, and it is x plus 17. Now let's draw an altitude from A to BC. This is the altitude. So the length of this altitude is given in the question as 8 root 11 centimeter. So considering this altitude, let us name this altitude that AD, and consider this triangle. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is 90 degree. So we can say by Pythagoras theorem that AD square plus CD square equal to AC square, and clearly we know that BD is equal to CD. So CD must be x by 2 centimeter. Now putting this in the equation, we get AD is given as 8 root 11 in the question square, plus CD is x by 2 square, and equal to AC. AC is x plus 17 whole square. Now 8 root 11 is square is 704 equal to x plus 17 whole square minus x by 2 whole square. Now applying here a square minus b square formula, so we get x plus 17 plus x by 2 into x plus 17 minus x by 2. So now it is 704 equal to 3x by 2 plus 17 into x by 2 plus 17. So this can be simplified as 3x square by 4 plus 34x equal to now let's simplify this. We get x square plus 34x plus 289 minus x square by 4 equal to 704. Now it is simplified as 3x square by 4 from these two terms plus 34x equal to 415. Now multiplying both sides by 4, we get 3x square plus 136x minus 1660 equal to 0. Now 136 can be split as 166 minus 30 minus 1660 equal to 0. Now it is factorized as 3x plus 166 into x minus 10 equal to 0. Now we can consider that x equal to 10, and we avoid the value of the negative value of x, which is minus 166 by 3, which is we avoid because x is a side of a triangle. So x is 10. So now we can find the each equal side of the triangle, which is 10 plus 17 and must be 27 centimeter. So perimeter is 2 into each equal side plus base, and it is 64 centimeter, and which is our answer. Let initial base of the triangle be B, height be H, and area is 1 by 2 into BH. Now base will be increased by 20%, so B into 1 plus 20 by 100, and we get the result that 6B by 5. And now the height will be H into 1 minus 20 by 100, since the height is decreased by 20%, so it must be 4H by 5. So now area will be 1 by 2 into new height, which is 4H by 5, into the new base, which is 6B by 5, and it is 12 by 25 BH. So follow that initial area is half into BH, and now the area will be 12 by 25 into BH, so it must be decreased. So decrease percentage must be 1 by 2 BH minus 12 by 25 BH divided by initial area, that is half into BH into 100. So BH is cancel out. From each of the term we get half minus 12 by 25 by half into 100. And let's subtract this part. We get 50, 25, 24 into 200. So it is 1 by 50 into 200, and 50 4s are 200. So we get 4%, which is a decrease percentage. So it is our answer. Question number 9. In an isosceles right-angle triangle, let the triangle be ABC, where ABC is right angle, and so AB equal to BC. So let AB equal to BC equal to A centimeter. Now given that the area of the triangle is 50 centimeter square, so we can equate that half into AB into BC is 50 centimeter square. So half into AB means A, BC means A, equal to 50 centimeter square. So A square is equal to 100 and A equal to plus minus 10. And now we avoid this negative value of A because A is the side of the triangle. So we consider that A is only 10. So the hypotenuse must be root over A square plus A square. So it is 2A square means root 2 into A, and we have the value of A, so it must be 10 root 2 centimeter. So it is our answer. Question number 10. To understand the solution completely, we have to draw a rough figure of the question. Let us assume that this is our triangle ABC, where ABC is 120 degree and AB and BC is 4 centimeter. Now we can construct a line which is equal to BC from this extended CB and join to point A, and let this point is M. So by construction, AB is also 4 centimeter, and this is clearly this angle, these two angles are linear pair, so this angle must be 60 degree, and this side is equal to this side, so these angles must be also 60 degree. So we conclude that ABM is an equilateral triangle of side 4 centimeter. So if we draw the height of the triangle, which is h as named, so we must know that h is root 3 by 2 into the side. So here the side is 4 centimeter, so clearly it is 2 root 3 centimeter. Now we have to observe that this is the height of this triangle also, when this is the base of the triangle. So if we consider BC as the base of the triangle, so then we take height as 2 root 3 centimeter. So the area of the triangle ABC is 1 by 2 into BC into H. So BC is 4 centimeter and H is 2 root 3 centimeter, and 2 and 2 cancel out, so we get 4 root 3 centimeter square, which is the area of triangle ABC, and it is our answer. Question number 11. Let each equal side of the triangle be A. So clearly hypotenuse must be root over a square plus a square by Pythagoras theorem, and it is root 2 into a. So it is given that a plus root 2a is equal to 20 plus 10 root 2, which is the perimeter of the triangle. So let's simplify this equation. Now from this we take root 2 into a, and we get root 2 plus 1 into, and now from this right hand side we take 10 root 2, and we also get root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 cancel out, and a is, and root 2 also cancel out, so a is 10 centimeter. And we know that the area of right-angled isosceles triangle is 1 by 2 into a square. So clearly it is 1 by 2 into 10 into 10. So it must be 50 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 12. Let the breadth of the rectangle x, so length must be x plus 2, because the difference of length and breadth be 2. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write that x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to hypotenuse square, which is the diagonal of the rectangle, is this. So it is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 100. So 2x square plus 4x minus 96 equal to 0. So take 2 as common factor, so it is x square plus 2x, it is 48 equal to 0. So by middle term factorization we get 8x minus 6x minus 48 equal to 0. So clearly x into x plus 8 minus 6 into x plus 8 equal to 0, and it is x plus 8 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So here we take the positive value of x, because x is the length of the rectangle. So we consider that x equal to 6. So now length is must be 6 plus 2, and it is 8 centimeter. So the area is 6 into 8, which is length into breadth, so 48 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 13. Now the given length and breadth of the rectangle is, length is 120 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. So the area of the rectangle is 120 into 22, and which is equal to 2640 centimeter square. Now, given that this is the perimeter, this area is numerically equal to the perimeter of a rectangle whose breadth is 320 centimeter. So now, by the given condition, let the length of another rectangle be x. So by the question, we can write the perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Breadth is given as 320 is equal to 2640. Now x plus 320 is 2640 by 2. So x plus 320 is equal to 1320. Now x must be 1320 minus 320, which is 1000 centimeter. So we can easily find the area of the rectangle. So area of that rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 1000 and breadth is 320. So the area is 3240 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 14. Let length be 8x and breadth be 3x. Now, by the given condition, we can write 8x into 3x equal to 1944. So 24x squared is 1944. So x square is equal to 1944 divided by 24, and which is 81. X square equal to 81. So x equal to root over 81, and we take the positive value of x. So it is x equal to 9. Now length must be 8 into 9 is 72, and breadth must be 3 into 9, 27. So perimeter is equal to 2 into 72 plus 27. So 2 into 99, and it is 198 centimeter. It is our answer. Question number 15. At first, we have to draw a rough diagram of the problem. Let us assuming that this is our rectangular garden, and this is 25 length and 10 is breadth, and this is the road surrounding the garden, which of 1.5 centimeter width. Now we can say the area of the garden is 10 into 25, and it is 250 meter square. Now we can find the length of this red rectangle, which is increased by 1.5 and 1.5 on both of the sides. So the length of this rectangle must be 25 plus 1.5 into 2, and it is 28 meter. Now breadth, the similar way, breadth will be 10 plus 1.5 into 2, and it is 13 meter. So of red rectangle minus the area of blue rectangle. Red rectangle is 28 into 13 minus the area of blue rectangle. We have 250 meters square. So now this will be 364 minus 250, and it must be 114 meters square. Now the cost of making this road is rupees 150 per square meter. Total cost will be 150 into 1.4. Now will be 17,100 rupees. So the cost of making the road is 17,100 rupees, and this is our answer. Question number 16. Let the length of the rectangle be 5x and breadth be 3x. Now we can say that the area of this part is length into 1.5. So it is 5x into 1.5, 7.5x. Now let's calculate the area of this part, which is the area of this part is breadth into 2.5, and assuming that this breadth is 3x, so 3x into 2.5, and it is 7.5x. Now clearly if we calculate the whole part, means this part and this part, so this portion we take twice. So this whole, the area of this whole part is 7.5x plus 7.5x minus 2.5 into 1.5. Now it is 15x minus 3.75. Now we can equate this given shaded portion by an equation. So it is clearly the area of whole rectangle is 15x square minus the area of this calculated cross road, and it is 15x minus 3.75 equal to, we know that these four parts are of equal areas, so this given shaded portion is 75.9375, which is into 4. Now let's solve this equation to find the value of x. Now clearly it is 15x square minus 15x plus 3.75 equal to 303.75. So 15x square minus 15x is equal to 300. Now x square minus x is equal to 20. So clearly x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now let's calculate x by middle term factorization, and it is 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. So it is x minus 5 into x plus 4, and we average this negative value of x, so we can take x equal to 5. So the value of x is 5. Now so we can find the length of the rectangle, and it is 5x. So 5 into 5, it is 25, and breadth is 3x. So 3 into 5 is 15. So the area of the rectangle is equal to 25 into 15, and it must be 375 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 17. At first, we have to observe this W-shaped figure is symmetrical about this line. Means this area is equal to this area. Now let's determine the area of whole W-shaped figure. So now this length is, we can join this part and this part. So this is 2 and 2, and whole is 6. So this area is must be 6 minus 2 into 2, and it is 4. So this is 4, and we can say that this area, this line is equal to this line. So the area of this part is 4 divided by 2, and it must be 2. So it is 2, and it is 2. Now we can easily determine the area of this parallelogram. So area of this parallelogram is base into height. Here the base is this part. So we can find this part, since whole is 8 and this length is 5. So it must be 8 minus 5. So it is 3. So the area of this parallelogram is 3 into 2. Since we repeat this concept because this is the height of the parallelogram and this is the base of this parallelogram, so it must be 6 centimeters square. So at first we discussed that this parallelogram is symmetrical to this parallelogram, so the area of this part is also 6 centimeters square. And now we can calculate the area of this part, and this is a rectangle, so we know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here breadth is 2 and length is 8, so the area of this rectangle is 8 into 2, and it is 16 centimeters square. Now this rectangle is symmetrical to this rectangle, so the area of this rectangle is also 16 centimeters square. Now the area of whole W-shaped figure is must be 16 into 2 plus 6 into 2. Now 16 into 2 is 32, and 6 into 2 is 12, and it must be 44 centimeters square. So this is our answer. Question number 18. Let L be 7x and B be 3x. Now given that this width is 1.5 and this width is also 1.5, so we can find this length easily. So this length must be 7x minus 1.5 into 2, and it is 7x minus 3 centimeter, and we can find this width easily. So this width must be 3x minus 1.5 into 2, and it is 3x minus 3 centimeter. Now this length, this width is given as 2.5, and this also. So we can easily find this length, which must be equal to 7x minus 3 minus 2.5 into 2, and it is 7x minus 8. And from the same way we can find this breadth, and it must be equal to 3x minus 3 minus 2.5 into 2, so 3x minus 8. Now in the question, the perimeter of this rectangle is given. So we can equate the area, we can equate the perimeter of this rectangle. So we can write that 3x minus 8 plus 7x minus 8 whole into 2, which is the perimeter of this shaded rectangle, equal to 68, which is given in the question. So it is 10x minus 16 equal to 34. So 10x is equal to 50, and now x must be 5. Now we have found that the length of this is 7x minus 3, and the breadth of this rectangle is 3x minus 3. Now we can easily find this white shaded portion area by subtracting the whole rectangle, subtracting the small rectangle, this rectangle, from this whole rectangle. So now it will be L into B minus 7x minus 3 into 3x minus 3. Now we know that since x is 5, so LB must be 35 into 15. And now here we putting the value of 5, it is 35 minus 3 and 15 minus 3. So it is 32 into 12, and here it is 35 into 15. So now we can calculate this, and we get it must be 5 to 5 minus 384. Now we can subtract 384 minus 5 to 5, and it is 141 centimeter square. So it is the area of white shaded portion, and it is our answer. Question number 19. Let's draw a rough figure to solve the question. So let us assuming that this is our rectangular floor, and given that the length is 20 meter, so 20 meter is equal to 2000 centimeter, and breadth is 12 meters, so 12 meter is 1200 centimeter. Now each tile is the measure of 20 meter and 20 centimeter. It is 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Now this length is 15 centimeters, so we can find that the number of tiles along with length can be arranged as the number of tiles along length must be 2000 divided by 15, and it is 133.33. so nearly it is 133. And now we have to calculate the number of tiles along breadth, and it is 13, so it is 13, and total is 1200, so number of tiles can be kept along with breadth must be 1200 divided by 13, and now it is 92.307, so approximately 92. So the total number of tiles is equal to 92 into 133, and it must be 12236. So it is the number of total tiles, and it is our first answer. Now the total area of total tiles must be 12236 into area of one tiles, and it is 13 into 15. So it will be 2386020 centimeter square. Now the uncovered portion of the floor must be the area of the floor, that is 2000 into 1200 minus the area of the tiles, that is 2386020, and it is 24. There are 5 zeros, so 1 2 3 4 5 minus 2386020. Now it must be 13980 centimeter square. Now if it convert into meter square, then it must be divided by 100 square. So it is 13980 divided by 100 into 100, it is meter square. So 10 is cancelled out, and it is 1.398 meter square, and it is the area of uncovered place in the floor. So it is our second answer. Question number 20. Now, first of all, if we join this line by the extended this line, and we get this is equal to 3, 3, 3 and 3. So the whole length of this line is must be 12 centimeter. Now in the similar way, if we extend this line and this line, so we can say this is 2, 2, 2 and this is 2. So this whole line is must be 8. Now we have to calculate the required shaded region. So now if we calculate only this part, means only this part, so it is a rectangle. Now it is a rectangle, so we can say this part is 8 into 0.5. Since the width is 0.5 is given, so it is also 0.5 and it must be 4 centimeter square. Now if we calculate this part, which is also our required in the question, this part is also a rectangle, so it is area of 12 into 0.5 and it is 6 centimeter square. Now it is obvious that this part is taken twice in both of the cases, right? So we have to calculate this part and subtract the sum of this and this. So the area of this part is 0.5 into 0.5, because this is 0.5 and this is square, so it is 0.25 centimeter square. Now our answer, we can find our answer, that is the area of the shaded is 4 plus 6 minus 0.25 and it must be 10 minus 0.25 and it is 9.75 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 21. Now let the diagonals of the rhombus be A and B. So we know that the area of the rhombus is half into the product of the diagonal, and it is given as 100 centimeter square. So we can write half into A into B is 100, so AB is 200. Now we have to remember this result, and now the relation between the diagonals and the sides is, we know that is A by 2 whole square plus B by 2 whole square is equal to x square by Pythagoras theorem. Now it is simplifies as a square plus b square is equal to 4x square. Now a square plus b square equal to 4. X is the perimeter by 4 and perimeter is given as 20 root 5 by 4 whole square. Now it is 500. So a square plus b square is equal to 500. Now we can solve this and this equation. AB equal to 200, and now we can say by these two equation 200 by B whole square plus B square is equal to 500. So it must be simplifies as B to the power 4 minus 500 B square plus 4000 equal to 0. Now it is factorized as B square minus 400 into B square minus 100 equal to 0. Now B is either 20 or 10. Now when B is 20, then A must be 200 by 20, it is 10, and when B is 10, then A must be 200 by 10, it is 20. So the length of the diagonals is 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So it is our answer. Question number 22. We know that the area of the parallelogram is base into height. So here altitude to A is 5, so 5 into A is the area of the parallelogram, and it is given as 150. So A must be 30 centimeter. Now the perimeter of the parallelogram is 100, so we can write 2 into A plus B equal to 100. Now putting the value of A here, and it is 50, so A is 30 plus B equal to 50. Therefore B must be 20 centimeter. So the length of B is 20 centimeter. Question number 23. Let the length of smaller parallel sides be x and bigger side be x plus 10 centimeter, since the difference of the sides is given as 10 centimeter. So now by the problem we can say half into the sum of parallel sides, this is x plus 10 into the height of the trapezium is given as 11, and it is equal to 121 centimeter square, which is given in the question. Now let's calculate this equation and find the value of x. So 2x plus 10 into equal to 121 by 11. Now it is x plus 5 is equal to 11. Therefore x is equal to 11 minus 5, and it is 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. So a bigger side must be 6 plus 10, and it must be 16 centimeter. So one side is 16 centimeter, another side is 6 centimeter, and it is our answer. Question number 24. At first, let's draw a rough diagram to solve the problem analytically. Let us assume that this is ABCD trapezium, and this is 10 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, this is 23 centimeter, and this is 31 centimeter. Now let's draw a parallel line from C, which is parallel to AD, So this is 20 and this is also 20, since it is named as M. Since AMCD is a parallelogram, so AD is must be equal to CM, and it is 20, and CD is must be AM, and it is 10. So MB, we can find MB, that MB is 31 minus 10, and it is 21 centimeter. Now let's calculate the area of this triangle. So triangle CMB is equal to, now we can find the area of triangle by Heron's formula. So in triangle CMB, the semi-perimeter S must be 20 plus 23 plus 21. This is 21 by 2. Now it is 32 centimeter. So the area of this triangle CMB is root over S into S minus 20, S minus 21, S minus 23. Now it is 32 minus 20, 32 minus 23, and 32 minus 21, and it is 32 into 12 into 9 into 11, and it is 24 root 66 centimeter square. Now we can find the height of the triangle CMB. Now let the height of the triangle CMB be h. So 1 by 2 into height into 21, because MB is the base. So 1 by 2 into h into 21 is equal to the area of the triangle, which is 24 root 66. Now let's calculate the value of h, and h must be 16 by 7 root 66 centimeter. So by the figure and the problem, it is clear that the height of the triangle is equal to the height of the trapezium. So now we can calculate the area of the trapezium by this formula, half into the sum of parallel sides, and it is 10 plus 31, and into height is our 16 by 7 root 66, and it must be 328 by 7 root 66, which is approximately 380.67 centimeter square, and it is our answer. Question number 25. Let the parallel sides be 3x and 5x. So by the formula of the area of trapezium, we can write half into the sum of parallel sides, and it is 3x plus 5x, into altitude, which is given as 15, is equal to the area, which is given 150. So 15 is cancelled out and 10 remain. So 8x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 8, and for 5 for 2, and it is 2.5. So the parallel sides must be 3 into 2.5 is 7.5 centimeter, and 5 into 2.5, and it is 12.5 centimeter. So it is our answer. Question number 26. At first, we have to draw a rough diagram of the problem. So given that these two are concentric circles. Now let us assume that this is smaller one, and this is small r2. So by the question, it is given that r2 minus r1 is 3.5 centimeter, which is difference of the radii. Now sum of their circumference is 110, so we can write 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 is equal to 110. Now let's write 2 pi into r1 plus r2 is 110. So r1 plus r2 is equal to 110 into 7 by 44, where pi is taken as 22 by 7. So now it is simplifies as 17.5 centimeter. So the sum of the radii is 17.5 centimeter and the difference of the radii is 3.5 centimeter. We have to remember these two results. Now the area of these two circles means this area must be the difference of the areas of two circles. So now we can say the area of the ring must be pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. So pi into r2 square minus r1 square, and pi is 22 by 7, and r2 square minus r1 square can be written as r2 plus r1 into r2 minus r1 by applying the formula of a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So now we can say that 22 by 7 and r2 plus r1 is 17.5 and r2 minus r1 is 3.5. So it is 0.5. Now the product will be 192.5 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 27. Let the radius be r. So circumference must be 2 pi r and area must be pi r square. So by the question, pi r square is numerically equal to 2 pi r. So pi cancel out and r is r. So r is 2. So the radius of the circle is 2 and it is our answer. Question number 28. Let the radius of the semicircle be r. So the circumference must be pi r, and where pi is 22 by 7 and the diameter is 2r. So given in the question, that is pi r minus 2r is 16. So take r as common factor, and now 22 by 7 minus 2 equal to 16. Therefore r equal to 16 into 7 by 22 minus 14. So r equal to 16 into 7 by 8, and 8 to the 16. Therefore r equal to 14 centimeter. So the area of semicircle, we know that it is pi r square by 2. So half into 22 by 7 into r square means 14 into 14. 7 to the 14, 2 cancel out, and it must be 22 into 14, and it is 308 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 29. Now let's calculate the circumference of the drum. So the circumference of the drum is 2 pi r, means 2 into 22 by 7 into r, 77 by 2. Now 2 and 2 cancel out, and 7 is 1.1. So it is 22 into 1.1. We leave this result like this. Now the total distance is 14 meter because the bucket is raised by 14 meter. Now we know that number of revolution is must be total distance by circumference. Now given that total distance is 14 meters, so 14 meter can be converted into centimeter, so multiplied by 100, and circumference is 22 into 1.1. Now this is calculated as 1400 by 24.2. So let's divide 1400 by 24.2 and we get 57.851. So we can say this is 58 revolution. So it is our answer. Question number 30. So given the diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeters, so radius of the wheel is 84 by 2 and it is 42 centimeter. Now we know that total distance is equal to circumference into number of revolution. So circumference is 2 into 22 by 7 into 42, and number of revolution per second is 8. So let's calculate this. (12 into 8 into 22). So it is 2112 centimeter. Now in 1 second the wheel covers 2112 centimeter. So in 3600 second the wheel covers 2112 into 3600 centimeter. Let's find the product of these two number and we get 7603200 centimeter. Now we know that the centimeter is equal to 7603200 divided by 100. So this is kilometer. So now 0 and 0 cancel out, and it is 76.032 kilometer per hour. So it is our answer. Question number 31. The area of small square is 25 centimeter square. That means in the figure, the square is yellow squares. So the side of small square is equal to root over 25 and it must be 5 centimeter. So the diagonal of the square is clearly the diameter of the circle. So diameter of the circle is 5 into 2. 5 into root 2, which is the diagonal of yellow square, and it is 5 root 2 centimeter. Now, the diameter of the circle is equal to the side of the red square, means big square. So the side of big square is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. So the area of big square is 22 by 7 into 5 root 2 . The area of the square must be 5 root 2 into 5 root 2, and it is 50 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 32. Now at first, let's join the centers of the circle. Now clearly, the radius of each circle is 28 centimeter. So this is 28, this is 28, and this is 28, this is 28, this is 28, this is 28. So clearly, let the center named as A, B, and C. So it is clear that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 56 centimeter. So since ABC is an equilateral triangle, so this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, and this angle is 60 degree, and this is a sector, this is a sector, and this is a sector. So adding this 3 sector, we get a semicircle. Adding these 2 sectors, 60, 60, 60, we get a semicircle of radius 28. So if we subtract the area of this semicircle from this triangle ABC, then we get our shaded region. So let's do it. Therefore, shaded region is equal to triangle ABC minus 3 into each sector, and 3 into each sector means the semicircle of radius 28. So area of triangle ABC is root 3 by 4 into side square means 28 into 2 is the side, that is 56. So into 56 minus semicircle is 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 28. Now let's calculate this. We get 1357.88 approximately, and it is 1232. Now subtracting this, we get 125.88 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 33. In this figure, AO equal to BO, since both are the radii of the circle and angle AOB is 60 degree, that means triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So we can find the area of this triangle OAB, and it must be root 3 by 4 into 42 into 42, and which is equal to 441 root 3 centimeter square. Now this is 60 degree, so AOB is a sector. So the area of sector AOB is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 42, since the radius of the circle is 42 into 42. Now it is simplifies as 924 centimeter square. Now the shaded portion must be the sector AOB minus the triangle AOB, and the shaded portion is called the segment. So it is 924 minus the area of the triangle is 441 root 3. Now putting the value of root 3 is 1.732. It is assuming that the value of root 3 we get 160.19 approximately. So it is the area of the shaded portion, and it is our answer. Question number 34. Now at first let's draw a rough diagram to solve this problem. Let us assume that this is our triangle ABC and the circle is this, which is an in circle of the triangle. Now this is the center of the circle, which is in center of the triangle. Now we can draw 3 perpendicular from the center to the side, and which is the radius of the circle, and is the in radius. Now join the vertices to the center of the circle. Now we can write, let this is named as O, so we can write triangle AOB plus triangle BOC plus triangle AOC is the whole triangle ABC. So triangle AOB is clearly half into R into AB, and triangle BOC is similarly half into R into BC, and triangle AOC is half into R into AC, and this is triangle ABC. So half into R is common, so we take half into R and we get AB plus BC plus AC is equal to the area of the triangle ABC. Now see the question that perimeter of the triangle is 21 is given. So putting this 21 instead of AB plus BC plus AC, and the area of the triangle is 147. So putting this value 147 in the place of triangle ABC. Now let's calculate the equation to find the in radius. 21 is 147, and now R is 147 into 2 by 21. So 21 sevens are 147. Therefore, R must be 14 centimeter. So the in radius is 14 centimeter. Now the area of the circle, means in circle, is very easily determined, that 22 by 7 into R square. So 7 2s are 14. So 44 into 14. And 44 into 14 is 616 centimeter square. So the area of the in circle of the triangle is 616 centimeter square. Question number 35. At first, we have to observe that these two parts are symmetrical. This part and this part are symmetrical. So if we find the area of one part, then we can find the area of whole shaded part. So at first we have to join O dash. Now let us assume that this is A. So AO is equal to AO dash is equal to O dash is 7 centimeter, because these lines are the radius of the circle. So triangle AO dash is an equilateral triangle. So area of triangle AO dash is equal to root 3 by 4 into 7 square. It is 49 by 4 root 3 centimeter square. Now the area of the sector, this point may be S, the sector OA SO dash, means this sector is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, and it must be 77 by 3 centimeter square. We have to remember these results. Now we can find the area of this part, this segment, by subtracting the area of the triangle from the area of the sector. So the area of segment ASO dash is equal to 77 by 3 minus the area of the triangle is 49 by 4 root 3. Now this segment is equal to this segment. So we can find the area of whole AO dash, means this part. Now let's find this area of AO dash is triangle AO dash plus 2 into this segment 77 by 3 minus 49 by 4 root 3. Now it is simplifies as 154 by 3 minus 49 by 4 root 3. So the area of our required shade, area of required shaded region is equal to 2 into this part 154 by 3 minus 49 by 4 root 3. Now let's simplify this. We get 616 minus 147 root 3 whole divided by 6, and it is 60.23 centimeter square approximately. So it is our required answer. Question number 36. At first, if we transform this semicircle in here like this, then we got a full circle which of radius 14 by 4, and it is 7 by 2 centimeter. So we can easily find the area of two semicircle is equal to 22 by 7 into r square, and it is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So it is 7 cancel out and 2 is 11. So 77 by 2 centimeter square. Now let's calculate the area of this big semicircle, which is the radius of 7 centimeter. So the area of big semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, which is equal to 77 centimeter square. So clearly our required shaded region must be the area of big semicircle minus the sum of the areas of two smaller semicircles. So it is 77 minus 77 by 2, which is exactly 38.5 centimeter square, which is our required answer. Question number 37. Side of the square PQR is equal to root over 36 equal to 6 centimeter. So it is 6, it is 6, it is 6. Now ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle where this angle is right angle, so it is 45 degree, and this is right angle, so this angle must be 45. Similarly, this is 45, this is 90, so this is 45. So this BPS, triangle BPS and triangle RQC are right angle isosceles triangle. So in triangle BPS is SP is equal to BP is equal to 6 centimeter. It is 6, it is 6, and it is 6. In the similar way, we can say triangle RQC RQ equal to QC equal to 6 centimeter is 6. So we can calculate BC, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6, and it must be 18 centimeter. And we know that AB is equal to AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Now AB is equal to AC, so we can write AB square plus AB square is equal to BC square. BC is 18 square. So 2AB square is equal to 18 square. So AB is equal to 18 by root 2 centimeter. So finally the area of the triangle ABC is 1 by 2 into 18 by root 2 into 18 by root 2. So it is 2 9s are 18 and root 2 is 9. So it must be 81 centimeter square. So the area of triangle ABC is 81. So it is our answer. Question number 38. The area of small circle is 154 centimeter square. Let the radius of small circle be r. So pi r square is equal to 154. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 by 22. And now it is 7. Therefore r must be 7 centimeter. And clearly we observe that the diameter of the circle, yellow circle, means the smaller circle, is the breadth of the rectangle. So it is 7. It is 7. So the breadth of the rectangle must be 14 centimeter. Now the area of the bigger circle is given, that is 616 centimeter square. So let the radius of the bigger circle be capital R. So we can write pi r square is equal to 616. Now let's calculate 616 into 7 by 22. So now it must be 28. So r is equal to 14 centimeter. The diameter of the red circle is clearly the diagonal of the rectangle. So diameter is 28 centimeter, and which is the diagonal of rectangle. Now consider this triangle. We can find the length by Pythagoras theorem. So let's calculate by Pythagoras theorem. We can write length square plus 14 square, which is the breadth of the rectangle, is equal to diagonal square. Diagonal is 28. So L square is equal to 28 plus 14 into 28 minus 14. So it is 42 into 14. So L is clearly 14 root 3 centimeter. So the area of the rectangle is length into breadth is 14 root 3 into 14. So now it is 196 root 3 centimeter square. And it is our answer. Question number 39. Let us assume that the center of the circle is A, B and C. Now join ABC. So the radius of each circle is 7 centimeters. So it is 7, it is 7, it is 7, 7, 7, 7. So ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 14 centimeters. So triangle ABC is root 3 by 4 into 14 into 14. So it is 49 root 3 centimeter square. Now we can calculate the area of this shaded portion, which is the area of red shade must be the triangle ABC minus 3 into each sector. So it is triangle ABC is 49 root 3 minus 3 into 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So this is simplifies as 7.868 centimeter square, where root 3 taken as 1.732. Now height of triangle ABC, is root 3 by 2 into side, and it is 14, so it is 7 root 3. Now let observe the radius of big circle is clearly this is the height, so the circumradius plus 7, so circumradius plus 7. So radius of big circle is circumradius, that is 2 by root 3 into height of the triangle, that is 7 root 3, plus the radius of small circle, that is 7, and it is simplifies as 7 by 3 into 2 root 3 plus 3 centimeter. Now let's calculate the area of big circle. Area of big circle is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 3 into 2 root 3 plus 3 into 7 by 3 into 2 root 3 plus 3. Now it is simplifies as 154 by 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 centimeter square. Now we observe that this shaded part, our required shaded part, is symmetrical with this shaded part. So if we subtract the area of this 3 circle and this part from the big circle and divided by 3, then we get one of this shaded part. So let's do it. So the area of required shaded area is 1 by 154 by 3 into 7 plus 4 root 3, which is the area of this big circle. Now minus the area of 3 small circle, which is 22 by 7 into 3 circles, so 3 into 7 into 7, and minus the area of this red shaded part is 7.868, and it is whole divided by 3. So big circle minus 3 small circle and this small red shaded part. Now so this is simplifies as 81.70 centimeter square. which is our answer. Question number 40. We know that the circumradius of the triangle means this is circumradius of the triangle is 2/3 of the height of the triangle. So circumradius is equal to 2/3 of the height of the triangle ABC. Now let's calculate the circumradius. 2/3. We know that the height of an equilateral triangle is √3/2 into the length of sides. So we can write √3/2 into 42, and it is calculated as 14√3 centimeter. Now we know that this part of the figure and this part of the figure and this part of the figure are of equal areas. So now let's calculate this shaded part, which is clearly this shaded part is clearly the area of circle minus area of triangle ABC whole divided by 3. So now let's find out. Area of the circle is pi r square, means pi into 14√3 square, minus area of the triangle is √3/4 into 42 into 42, since we know that each side of the triangle is 42. Now it is calculated as 361.396 centimeter square. Now let's calculate the area of this semicircle, whose radius is 21, since 42/2 is 21. So let's calculate the area of this semicircle. So area of the semicircle BQC is equal to 1/2 into 22/7 into 21 into 21. Now 7 3s are 21 and 2 11s are 22, so it must be 693 centimeter square. So now we can find the area of our required shaded region, which is BPCQ, and it is clearly the semicircle BQC minus this segment BPC. Now, so it will be 693 minus 361.396. So it will be 331.604 centimeter square. It is our answer. Question number 41. Let us assume that this is our regular hexagon and this is the circumcircle of the hexagon. Now clearly, if we join the center with the vertices of the hexagon, then we got 6 equilateral triangle, since these angles are 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, since the whole angle is 360 degree and it is divided into 6 equal parts. So each angle is that 60 degree, and this is the radius of the circumcircle and it is equal. So So in triangle AOB, angle AOB is 60° and AO equal to BO equal to circumradius. So these angles are must be 60° and 60°. So clearly AOB is an equilateral triangle. Now we can find the area of the triangle AOB, and it is √3/4 into side square. So √3/4 into side is 4√3, since the side of the hexagon given as 4√3, so it is equilateral, so each side is 4√3. So 4√3 into 4√3. Now 4 and 4 cancel out and it will be 12√3. Now look at these 6 triangles. The 6 triangles of sides 4√3, 4√3 and each side of 4√3. So these 6 triangles are congruent triangles and they are also equilateral triangles. So we can say these congruent equilateral triangles make the complete hexagon. So we can calculate the area of the hexagon by multiplying 6 the area of one triangle, and one triangle named as triangle AOB. So we can say 6 into area of triangle AOB. Now triangle AOB is 12√3 centimeter square, and this gives us 72√3 centimeter square, which is the area of this regular hexagon, and it is our answer. Question number 42. Now let O be the center of the circle. Now join O with the vertex A and O with the vertex B. We know that in a regular hexagon, the circumcenter and incenter coincide each other. So AO is equal to OB equal to the circumradius. And we know that the circumradius is equal to the side of a regular hexagon. So it is equal to the side which is given as 8√3 centimeter. So we can say this line is 8√3, this is 8√3, and this is 8√3. Now let OP is a perpendicular to this AB. So clearly OP is the in radius of in circle. Now since AOB is an equilateral triangle, so OP bisect AB at P. So this is 4√3. Now consider this triangle OPB. So in triangle OPB, angle OPB is 90° and AP is equal to PB is equal to 4√3 centimeter, and OB is 8√3 centimeter. Now by Pythagoras theorem, we can say OP square is equal to OB square minus PB square. Now OP is have to determine, and OB is 8 root 3 square, PB is 4 root 3 square. Now squaring the terms, we get 192 minus 48. So 192 minus 48 is 144. So OP is must be the root over 144, and it is plus minus 12. Now OP is the length of in radius, so we consider only the positive value of OP. Therefore OP must be 12 centimeter. Since this is a regular hexagon, then this portion of the figure these portions of the figure are of equal areas. So this red shaded portion will be area of this red shaded portion will be the area of hexagon minus the area of in circle. Now area of hexagon divided by 6. Now area of hexagon is root 6 into root 3 by 4 into side square, means 8 root 3 into 8 root 3, minus area of in circle is pi r square, means 22 by 7 into 12 into 12. Now 1 by 6 is multiplying the both of the terms. We get 6 and 6 cancel out, and it is root 3 by 4 into 8 root 3 into 8 root 3 minus 22 by 7 into 6 to the 12, so 2 into 12. Now 4 to the 8, and let's simplify this expression. Now it will be simplifies as 7.776 centimeter square approximately, where root 3 taken as 1.732 and 22 by 7 taken as 3.14. Now it is our answer. Question number 43. Let each side of the triangle be a. So we can write root 3 by 4 into a square is given as 484 root 3. Now root 3 and root 3 cancel out, and a is root over 484 into 4. Now it is equal to 44 centimeter. Now the perimeter, where the length of the where is equal to the perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter will be 44 into 3, and it is 132 centimeter. Now the same wire is bent into the form of a circle, so the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Let the radius of the circle be r. So we can say the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is must be equal to 132. Now r is 132 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. Now 22 6 are 132 and 2 3 is 6. Therefore r must be 21 centimeter. Now we can easily find the area of the circle. So the area of the circle is pi r square. So it is 22 by 7 and r is 21 into 21. So it is 3. So must be 66 into 21. And it will be 1386 centimeter square. So it is our answer. Question number 44. Let the radius of third circle be r. So we can equate the given condition like that: pi into 6 square plus pi into 8 square, which is the sum of the areas of the circles, and it is equal to pi r square, which is equal to the area of another circle. So pi cancel out both of the sides and we get 36 plus 64 equal to r square. Now r square is equal to 100. Now r is equal to 10 centimeter. So we can find the circumference of that circle. So circumference will be 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14, we take pi as 3.14 into 10. So it is calculated as 62.8 centimeter. So the answer is 62.8 centimeter. Question number 45. Given that each side of the square is 7 centimeter, so we can find the diagonal of the square. So diagonal of the square is must be 7 root 2. We know the formula of the diagonal, that is root 2 into side, so it is 7 root 2 centimeter. Now observe this line, this diagonal, which is passing through the center of this middle circle. So this is 7 root 2 and this is the radius of the quadrant, and it is 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. So this line is 7 by 2 and this line also is 7 by 2. So we can measure the diameter of this small circle. So diameter of the small circle is equal to 7 root 2, which is the length of the diagonal, minus this 7 by 2 and this 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 2. Now it must be 7 into root 2 minus 1 centimeter. Now let's find the area of this 4 quadrant. And it is the area of 4 quadrant is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now 4 cancel out, 7 cancel out, and 2 11s are 22, and it is 38.5 centimeter square. Let's calculate the area of this circle. So, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So, r is root 2 minus 1 by 7 whole square. Sorry, it is 7 into root 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now, pi is 22 by 7 and 1 by 2 square is 4 into 49 into root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now, it comes 6.622 centimeter square, where root 2 taken as 1.414. So we have to remember this result. Now we can find our required shaded region. So look at the figure. It is clearly shaded region is the area of the square minus the area of 4 quadrants and the area of circle. Now area of the square is 7 square minus area of 4 quadrant is 38.5 and area of the circle is 6.622 approximately. Now let's calculate this result. We get 49 minus 38.5 plus 6.622, and it gives us 45.122. And now let's subtract this from 49 and we get 3.878 centimeter square. So this is our answer. Question number 46. Let's draw a rough diagram of the question. Let us assume that this is our outer circle and this is our inner circle. Given that this distance is 5 meters. So let radius of inner circle be r and radius of outer circle be r plus 5. Since this distance is 5, so it is r and total is r plus 5 meters. Now circumference of inner circle is equal to 2 pi r and circumference of outer circle is 2 pi into r plus 5 meter. Now we know that the speed of the cyclist is equal, so we can say two pi r plus 5 divided by 23x is equal to 2 pi r divided by 22x, where 23x is the time to travel the outer circle, and 22x is be the time to travel the inner circle. Now let's find the value of r to solve this equation. Now x and x cancel out, 2 pi is cancelled out by 2 pi, so we get r plus 5 by 23 is equal to r by 22. Now cross multiplying this, we get 22r plus 110 is equal to 23r. Now r is equal to 110. So the diameter of the inner circle be 110 into 2 is equal to 220 meter, and it is our answer. Question number 47. Let AB equal to BC equal to A centimeter. So by the given condition, we can write half into A is equal to 98, which is the area of the triangle ABC. So A square is equal to 196. So A must be 14 centimeter. So this is 14 centimeter and this is 14 centimeter. So we can find easily AC, which is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC, and it is root 2 into side. So must be 14 root 2 centimeter. We have to remember these results. Now let's find the area of this semicircle. The area of this semicircle ASB is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 by 2 into 14 by 2. Now 2 11s are 22, 2 7s and 7 cancel out, and 2 7 is a 14, so it will be 77 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of this semicircle. So semicircle APC is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7, which is pi, and the radius of is half of AC, so it is 14 root 2 by 2 into 14 root 2 by 2. Now 2 11s are 22, and now 2 7 and 7 cancel out, and it is 2 7 is a 14. So now it will be 11 into 2 into 7. Now it is 154 centimeter square. Now we have to remember this result. So our required shaded region is clearly the area of the triangle ABC plus the area of the semicircle, this semicircle APC, minus the semicircle ASB. So let's calculate this to find the shaded region. So triangle area, triangle ABC of area 98. So we can write 98 centimeter square. So the area of semicircle APC is 154 centimeter square minus semicircle ASB, and it is 77 centimeter square. Now let's calculate this. 98. Let's calculate here. 98 plus 154 is 252 minus 77, and it is 175 centimeter square. So it is the area of our required shaded region. So it is our answer. Question number 48. Let the radius of this inner circle be R and the radius of outer circle be capital R. Now, given that the radius of smaller circle means R is equal to 14 centimeter. Now, we know this shaded region is equal to pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So pi into R square minus R square. Now shaded region is 770. Now it is 7 by 22 and small r is 14, so it is 196. Now let's simplify this. We get now 770 divided by 22, we get 35, and now 35 multiplied by 7 and it is 245. So 245 is equal to R square minus 196. Now R square is equal to 245 plus 196 and it is 441. Therefore R must be 21. We have to avoid the negative value of capital R, since capital R is the radius of outer circle. Now let's find the circumference of the bigger circle. So circumference of bigger circle is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So it is 7 3 the 21, and now it is 6 is multiplied by 22, so it must be 132 centimeter. So the circumference of bigger circle is 132 centimeter. It is our answer. Question number 49. Now let's draw a rough diagram of the question to solve the question. Now let us assume that this is angle ACD and this side is equal to this side, and the given angle is 135, and this equal side is 4 root 2. Now let's draw a perpendicular line from A to extended DC. And they meet at B. Now angle ACB is 180 degree minus 135 degree, and it is 45 degree. So this angle is 45. So, and this is 90 degree and this angle must be 45. So in triangle ABC, one angle is 90 degree and two angles are 45 and 45. So clearly ABC is a right angle isosceles triangle. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. So let AB equal to BC equal to A. So now by Pythagoras theorem, we can write A square plus A square is equal to AC square. Now AC is given as 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 square, it is 2A square. Now a square is equal to 4 root 2 into 4 root 2 divided by 2. Now it is 2 to the 4 and it is 16. So a square is equal to 16. Therefore a must be plus minus 4 and we take only the positive value of a since a is the length of a side. So a must be 4. Now look at the figure that a is this. So it is clear that this line is the height of this triangle. Now let's calculate the area of this triangle ACD. So the area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 by 2 into 4, that is height of the triangle, into 4 root 2. So it is 2 to the 4, now 8 root 2 centimeter square. So it is the area of triangle ACD. So it is our answer. Question number 50. At first, we have to draw a rough figure of the given problem. Now this is the rectangular sheet of length 50 centimeter and breadth 13 centimeter. Now the circular disc of diameter 6 are cut from the sheet. Now the number of discs along length is 50 by 6 and it is 8.33. So clearly 8 discs. Now we can calculate number of discs along breadth. So number of breadth is 13 centimeter and diameter is 6. This is 6. So 13 by 6 and it is 2.166. So it is clearly 2. So the number of discs is 2. Now the total number of discs is 8 into 2 and it is 16 discs. Now 16 discs is our first answer. Now the number of discs is 16, so the area of waste sheet equal to the area of total sheet, that is 50 into 13, minus the total area of 16 discs, 16 into 22 by 7 into 6 by 2 into 6 by 2. because 6 centimeter is the diameter of each disc. Now let's calculate this. Is 650 into this is 3, this is 3, and it is 16 into 22 into 9 divided by 7. So is approximately 452.57. Now subtract this from 650 and we get 197.43 centimeter square. So it is our second answer. So we have discussed almost all concepts through these 50 problems. If you think this video is very helpful to everyone, then please share it with all needy people around you. Please share your experience and appreciations in comments of this video. And for getting fast notification of our next video, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. So stay well and stay connected.